Hey, what's up, Winklink Holders? So this video is going to be very special because Winklink has completely fails down. Not just and today, my friend, and the previous 7 days they also fails down. Today they also fails down. So what we do? What's the prediction to upcoming days? They're moving up or they fails down more and more. So the video is going very special. So kindly don't skip any second of this video because the video is going very special. This video is going to very serious, my friend. So Winklink prediction. Before I start, please request you to subscribe this channel and press bell icon. Keep touch with us. I hope you cannot lost anymore. I request you, my brother, you cannot lost anymore if you subscribe this channel and press bell icon, because this channel is every time guide you, my friend, every time. If you have any time help, then absolutely, if you are a new holder, then please keep touch with us on Instagram, Twitter. Absolutely, you touch with us. The link is all available on the my channel. So kindly you just subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. All right, my friend. First of all, if you can see here, the last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and this is the latest update of a Winklink coin. The Winklink last 1 hour latest current change occur as minus 1.14%. So definitely very bad fails now, my friend. This time they completely fails down. You can see here, but definitely the change occur as a negative. So the one reason is that, my friends, in the previous days they also fails down, and this time they also fails down. The one big main reason is that to especially short time investors starting selling and those days. Absolutely, the price is very high. Definitely at the end of month, especially short time holders starting hoarding, but definitely especially long time holders, my friends, are starting holding because the price is very cheap. So therefore the especially long time investors starting holding, but absolutely, my friends, short time investor starting selling. Definitely they are starting selling, so the price is going more and more cheap, my friend. If you want to absolutely make a good money and want to a good profit, then absolutely you hold it those days, because the price is very cheap now. So if you sell it, then definitely they cannot give you very good profit. So all holder, this is the one big reason to especially short time investor are starting selling, so they fails down. The price is going very badly fails down. So don't fear, don't see this chart, don't see, especially if you are a long time investor. I tell you, my friend, this is my expectation, this is my opinion, my friend. I tell you to please don't sell it. Okay, my expectation is very good from Winklink, therefore I told you, my friend. So this time also, my friend, after this fails, they take a jump, they take a very good jump, my friend. So it's meet of coming days they're moving up. After a fails, definitely they take a very long jump. So this time you can see here they completely moving up. The resistance line, you can see here, if they cross the resistance line, then definitely, my friends, they fails now. So the good time is coming soon. Kindly holders, don't sell it. You can see here this time the current change occur, they completely moving up. So definitely the good time is coming soon. Please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Please, if you enjoy this video, like this video and press bell icon, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for this type informative videos.